Hey everybody, this is your chemistry teacher, Mr. Smithra. In fact, today I'd be giving a very important shortcut tricks and mnemonics. Literally, that's gonna help you to identify the color of compounds from the ions. Okay. By the way, student, a great pleasure for me to share you this topic. Let's get going. In fact, some of the students they asked me yesterday while taking class, Teacher Smith, could you please make some kind of tricks because it tends to be very difficult to remember all the cations and all the anions, right? And of course, there is sort of colored metal ions and colored anions. Then and there, just I said that okay, let me try my best to make some kind of tricks that's gonna help you to identify the color of cations and anions. Okay, before going to learn the tricks, let's get into the basic first, and then I would explain how the trick has to be applied, right? Okay, let's get going. Here all cations are colorless, keep in mind, and all anions are also colorless. Colorless cations are, I have mentioned here, sodium, aluminum 3 plus, and potassium ion, calcium ions, lead ions, right? And zinc, and final one is ammonium ion. Similarly, all anions are colorless, starts from chlorine ions, bromine ions, sulfite ions, okay, sulfate ions, and nitrate ions. These are also colorless. Is that clear? So all cations are colorless, all anions are colorless, but some specific cations or anions are there which is colored. Okay, that's is shown in below. Here you can see chromium ions. Chromium 3 plus is a green color of metal ions. This is Fe2 plus, I mean ferrous is a green color. In some extent it's gonna be a light as well. Here you can find copper 2 plus is a blue color, manganese 2 plus is a pink color, and Fe3 plus, which is actually we tend to say ferric, that's gonna be couple of colors. It can be seen in brown and yellow as well. So basically in ferric chloride it will be looks, or it seems to be in yellow. Any other compounds Fe3 will be seen as a brown colors, right? And some color anions are permanganate, it is actually pink colors. In some books you could find purple color as well. And here you can see that okay, that dichromate would be orange color, right? So only you are suggested to remember these colored metal ions and anions, these colored anions. This actually, because you come to know that these are colorless, right? Understand? Okay, so now how to for example, let's say, let me give you some compound. Let me ask you, just try to guess the color, or try to say is that colored compound or colorless compound. Okay, here is the compound. Let's suppose Zn2 plus, it is a metal ion. Okay, and here I have written, let's say, nitrate, NO3. Okay, nitrate. When they make a bond, so the compound will be Zn NO3, right? NO3 whole twice. The name will be zinc nitrate, right? So now tell me, what is the color of this zinc nitrate? Just only these are the compound is color. So zinc 2 plus is a colorless, nitrate also a colorless, zinc nitrate is a colorless. Nitrate is a colorless compound because zinc 2 plus is a colorless metal ions and nitrate also a colorless. So this both of them, I mean zinc nitrate, is a colorless. For let's suppose if at all I write over here, okay, just I'm gonna write here one examples you have to recognize. Here FeSO4, right? What could be the color of this compound? Who can recognize it? What is the color of compound? So first and foremost you have to distinguish into ions. So which metal ion is present over here, which non-metal ions is present over here. So here we can get it. The metal ions could be your, what is that, Fe2 plus, right, Fe2 plus and sulfate 2 minus, SO4 2 minus. Now SO4 2 minus, it is a colorless, but Fe2 plus is, what is the color of Fe2 plus? It is green. So that is why the compound of ferrous sulfate will be green color. It will be green color. Is that clear? Understand? Eventually, just I wanna say that this is your mnemonic shortcut tricks: green crofalin, blue cuff, pink mine, brown yellow helix. And because this sentence actually a powerful sentence, if you remember this one sentence at least, that's gonna help you to remember these metal ions. How many metal ions I have written here? 5 metal ions. I have written examples here. FeSO4 is a green, because here you can find a metal ion. Which metal ion is present here? Fe2 plus metal ion is present, so it is a green color. Of course sulfate is a colorless, right? Here another example you can find, it is a brown color of compound, which is iron hydroxide. Is that so? Here which ion will be getting, what is the metal ion is present over here? So here we can get Fe3 plus. Okay, Fe3 plus is a brown colors, right? So because of this metal ions, this compound will be brown in colors. Only I told you in the previous explanation that this Fe3 will be yellow colors only in ferric chloride, FeCl3. FeCl3, it will be in yellow colors. Okay, this color will be yellow, just why I am writing over here. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you to identify the color of compounds. So thank you so much for attending my class. Good day to you.